Hey guys, Rich from RDVFL here, and today we're going to be talking about our brand new screen upgrade solution for 2022 to 2025 Ford F-Series vehicles to upgrade the Sync 4 system from an 8-inch to a 13-inch screen. Beautiful solution. We're going to talk about our amazing screen upgrade for the new Ford F-Series vehicles 22 to 2025. This is completely different than anything else out on the market. Because this is a screen upgrade and not a full radio replacement, you can use all of the factory features through the new screen. All of the factory radio functions are still intact, the sync, everything. All of your cameras, all of your features, you don't lose any features whatsoever. 3-year warranty on this unit, and we have them available. And this not only allows you to retain all of your factory features and use the factory radio through the new screen, but this also gives you an amazing array of updated apps and features and screen size that you can use and switch between your factory radio and the new features of the new screen. So not only do you go from an 8-inch to a 13 plus HD screen, but you get all of the benefits of the upgraded source unit without any of the detriment with changing the actual radio itself and replacing the sync. So huge upgrade, looks completely factory. Nobody would ever know that you had an upgrade done. The aesthetics are amazing. It looks so perfect in the vehicle, and it's such an easy install, and the fit and finish is phenomenal. This is what the actual screen looks like, and this will give you the ability to upgrade from a 8-inch to a 13-inch, and you can see it is actually all plug and play, and it is super simple to install and super thin, so it goes right in the dash, right basically above your existing sync and radio, and it plugs right in. So beautiful solution that keeps all of your factory features with a 3-year warranty, so you get all of the upgrades you want without having to deal with any of the negatives associated with actually changing the radio, where you have to communicate with the amplifier and you lose factory features, or you have to add all these additional modules to keep the factory features. Door chimes may not be the same. Seatbelt chimes may not be the same. So we eliminate all of those problems and issues and any climate control failure issues that would potentially come with changing the radio. So it's a really great, viable solution that is extremely reliable with a 3-year warranty. There it is. You guys have all the info on this amazing brand new screen from RDVFL, the FRD-S4. So check it out on our website, plug in the year, make, and model of the vehicle in our vehicle selector, and find out all about the new product from RDVFL for the new Fords.